Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff, and in this video, I am going to try to learn how to make a song using AI. My good friend, Doc Vince, he built this instructional video for me right here. You can see how to make a song for somebody you love using AI on the Next Gen AI channel. So I'm going to watch it. I'm going to take notes, and then in another video, I'm actually going to try to make the song via AI. And my ultimate goal is to turn that song into a music video. So let's see if my good friend Doc shows us how to create a song using AI. Got a notepad? Let's do it.
Got a request, a comment from a good friend, Jeff. Making music, generating music, making it more personalized. For example, I want to make a music for my mom. I'm going to use AI. Jeff, this is for you. You'll start from scratch. For the rest of you who are watching this, if you're interested how to generate the music using AI, making it more personal, especially during Christmas seasons or for certain occasions that, I want to give this to you because it has my touch, but it has that professional music. So, Jeff, let's start. My friend. So what I'm going to use is ChatGPT. Let's do some ideation here.
Okay, what did that say? Hang on, let's go back. Start with the feeling. Step number 1. Start. Again, I don't know anything at all, so I'm going to follow it exactly. Start with a feeling. All right, Doc, let's do it.
So what I'm going to use is ChatGPT. Let's do some ideation here. Okay. So what I'm thinking is, first is the lyrics, creation of the lyrics. But who is it for? It's for my mom. A song for my mom. She is... I'll just write down here what I have or my message for her. We had some rocky relationship, I think. Often times she loves my brother than me.
My boy has a lot of misspellings for sure. I guess ChatGPT, it doesn't really matter, right? A lot of misspellings.
Treat her when they visit her. Okay, that's too sentimental. Anyway, Jeff. Well, what I'm showing here is like, okay, you give what you have in mind, an idea, so that for proper context, the ChatGPT or AI will know what to do. What is important here is the prompting. You know what to tell AI. I got that idea out there. Next is what kind of song. So you should have an inspiration on the type of song that you want ChatGPT to do. For me, it's like, okay, the inspiration would be Spice Girls, Mama song is the inspiration. Now I wrote down my thoughts, the idea about the song, then the type of melody, the composition, type of music. And what I'm going to do is tell ChatGPT to create the lyrics of the song.
All right, step 2, turn feelings into lyrics. Step 2, turn feelings into lyrics. I don't know anything about this.
You are a singer, a songwriter, composer, ChatGPT, and I want you to create the lyrics of the idea idea that I have regarding my mom, inspired by the song, which like did I say Spice Girls, Spice Girls, Spice Girls, Mama.
All right. So making sure we got this, right? We start with the feeling. Now he put a whole bunch of stuff. I'm not sure. You know, my first music is not, I don't know if it's going to be like that, but I like that inspiration. Right here, you are a singer, songwriter, composer, ChatGPT. I want you to create the lyrics of an idea that I have regarding my mom. Okay. Turning that feeling inspiration, no problem.
Right. And then
in another video, we're going to do this. So I'm going to try to see if this actually helps.
enter. Let's see what. There you go. There. Should I make it larger? Make it larger for you to rate. Yes. ChatGPT did my song for me. Right. Now, after that, I want ChatGPT to create a prompt for the song, the melody. Now we're going to ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT, you are a music arranger, composer, and I want you to create a prompt. We're going to use Suno AI or Suno AI, the music style. And Suno only the maximum of characters is 1,000.
Okay, ChatGPT, you're a music arranger, composer. I want you to create a prompt for Suno AI, the music style 1,000. I'm assuming it's going to say characters. All right, we got it.
1,000 characters. So never mind about the spelling there. I'll check by itself. It will check by itself. Oh, mama. Okay, there you go. Now I got my lyrics written, more personal, and then I have my prompt. What's the next step? The next step is going to Suno, to the AI that.
All right, step 3, bringing words to life with Suno AI. I never heard of Suno AI. Like I said, I don't know anything about this AI stuff. But I know here on this channel, Next Gen AI, it's me and my buddy Doc Vince. He's going to teach me. So if he can teach me, he can teach you if you want to learn. Stuff seems pretty cool. AI is, that's the way the world's going, and I don't know anything.
We are going to use Suno AI. There. I'm Suno Pro AI Music Creator. Yup, Suno Studio is here. So with this one, I already had registered. And I'm going to provide the link down below. All you have to do is just click that and you'll go directly to Suno. So this is there are two versions, paid version, and there's a free. I took the paid version because I'm doing a lot of stuff. I guess for the free, you can only generate 3 or 4 songs a day. It gives you a certain number of credits. Now I'm going to create. So let me take that down. Create your own song. Great. Create. There. Next step is, so again, I'm going to go to from home. I got the small icon there. Just put create. I will try to make it simple, Jeff. And I'm going to copy.
All right, step 4, the magic connection, ChatGPT plus Suno. All right. The magic connection, ChatGPT plus Suno. All right, I like it.
This thing from ChatGPT, the whole lyrics, copy, and go right here, create, or paste rather. And you could toggle it down and check the whole thing. Song title, take that optional. Mama, I know now. Okay. And copy the prompt. However, here's the thing. There are several options down here for the kind of style that you want. You could choose it right here, or you have your own prompt. For me, I had ChatGPT do it. However, in Suno, there is an option down here. So you could have, you want to make it jazz, rap, or crap, or like it'll make it simpler for you. So if you don't have any prompts or for a style, or you don't have anything in mind yet, all you have to do is go to the style, check that out, and then you could choose whichever. Now I want this to be sang by a male, though the song was sang by Spice Girls and style influence, 75%.
So far, seems
That's it.
pretty easy.
That is it. Now we're going to generate the song. With this one, I got to inform you, Jeff, that the Suno AI will generate 2 songs for you. So you would be able to choose which one sounds better. The next step would be creating your own music video. But let's start. Let's create. Let me see how many minutes. Okay, that was fast. Oh, could not generate what? Tags contain. What were the tags? I don't know what it's talking about. No. It doesn't want this one. Okay, then let's take that out. Copyright. That's the thing. They don't want you to add the name of the song that you're inspired. So sometimes Suno does. Sometimes it does not. And I think Suno has this copyright case against a big music company. And maybe that's the reason why he did that a while ago. But we already have the song.
All right, we're going to try to do it. We're going to be doing a multiple videos in this cycle. But first thing first is we are going to try, and I do say try, to build a Christmas song. You know, if that's you too, man, making a song, that's pretty damn cool. So I'm gonna attempt it based on the information I learned in this video. So if that video is done where I'm building it, it should be right here or right here. So make sure you click on that link to watch me build the song.